Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy students. Today we are going to see the second part of the classification students. So far we have seen monodentate and bidentate ligand. Now we are going to see the tridentate ligand. If a ligands interact with a metal through three donor atoms are called as tridentate ligand. If three donor atoms are present in the same molecule we call as what? Tridentate. Now one molecule we are going to see the very famous molecule is students diethylene triamine. We call as what? Dine. D-I-N. Now students, because it is what? Diethylene. So you have to make two ethylene molecules. Structure students will be like this: CH2, CH2. This side and this side also you have to make two more CH2 and CH2. Now what happens students? This ethylene is combines with the amines. Okay students. Now what happens? It has, because it triamines. One amines I have already written here. Now other two amines you can put like this, which is attached to this ethylene. NH2, NH2. Because nitrogen is always having lone pairs, so here students you will find there is three lone pairs are present in the diethylene triamine. So they will donate the lone pair to the central metal atom. This way they will donate this lone pair to them and form the tridentate ligand. That is why it is called as what? Tridentate. When you see the charge students, there is no charge. The charge is what? 0. So that means in tridentate ligand it is what? It is a neutral ligand. Now students, we are going to second example, that is called as imino-diacetate anion. Imino-diacetate amine. So what happens students here? Imino, that means amine will be there students, nitrogen, which is attached to the CH2. Now this is attached to the carbonyl. Okay students, that means these two oxygen will donate one lone pair and this nitrogen will donate one lone pair. So I am putting arrow like this. That means three donor atoms are there in the molecules. That is why it is called as what? It is also coming in tridentate ligand. Sometimes in examination they are asking students whether the molecule is bidentate or tridentate. So this way you have from the structure only comes to know this is a bidentate or tridentate. Now here because there is a three donor atom, so we call as what? Tridentate ligand. When you see the charge students, total how many charge are there? It is negative ligand, has got two negative charge. Now students, one more example we have students, that is 2,2-terpyridine T. So students here also that means 3 pyridine ring will be there. 3 pyridine ring we are going to make. One pyridine ring students like this. Second pyridine ring you have to make like this. Third pyridine structure students you can make like this. So 3 pyridine now students, it has got three nitrogen, which nitrogen of the pyridine they will donate the lone pair. All are having lone pair. Now this is connected with this students because it is the same molecules. Now what happens students? They will donate lone pair to the central metal atom. This way they will donate the lone pair to the metal. So this is the structure of what, when you see the charge students, there is no charge on this molecule. The charge is negative. That is why this is the tridentate ligand, which has what? Negative charge, that we also call as neutral ligand. Now students, we will see the tetradentate ligand. If ligands interact with a metal through 4 donor atoms are called as tetradentate ligand. Only one example is there students, that is called as triethylene tetraamine. In shortcut we call as what? Triene. Now because students triethylene, that means here how many ethylene molecules are involved students? 3 ethylene molecules you have to make. The first ethylene molecules I am making CH2, CH2. First ethylene molecule. Second ethylene molecule students, CH2, CH2. Third ethylene molecules I am making here students, CH2, CH2. Because this is triethylene tetraamine, that means you have to make what? 4 amines will be there. Now students, how you are making? One amine will attach to this, second amine will attach to here, third amine will attach to here. This is the first amine students which are going to attach NH2. Here it is also NH2. Now here amines students, they will attach to this ethylene and only one hydrogen if you complete the valency. Now they all nitrogen will has what? Lone pair. So they will donate lone pair to the central metal atom. That is why it is, this is the possible structure. When you see the structure students, there is no charge. That means tetradentate ligand, that triene is what? has zero charge, that is it is a neutral ligand. And tetradentate triene is what? Neutral ligand. Now students, pentadentate ligand. What is the pentadentate ligand? If a ligands interact with a metal through 5 donor atoms are called as what? Pentadentate ligand. If there is a 5 donor, so very famous example is ethylene diamine triacetate anion. Ethylene diamine. So first students, you have to make ethylene diamine and then triacetate anion. How you are going to make this structure students? Very simple. Ethylene diamine trianion. So students, you have to make ethylene first. Which ethylene molecules like this. This is the ethylene. Now it is ethylene diamine. Now ethylene is attached to the 2 amines. Okay students, ethylene diamine. So now we are making 2 amines. 1 amine I have written here, which has connected with 2 acetate molecules. Now 1 acetate molecules I am drawing like this students, which is written like this, and 1 acetate molecules I am drawing here. So CH2, this is the first acetate molecule students which I am drawing here, which is connected with the amines. Amines has got 2 valency, to 1 valency with 1 acetate group. Now this is the acetate. Okay students, which is connected to the oxygen. Second acetate group is students this CH2, CO, and again oxygen, which has got negative charge students. It has also got negative charge and having what? Lone pair. It has got lone pair. Now students, what happens students? Now comes to this part. Here also ethylene diamine triacetate. 2 acetate I have already drawn. Now here you have to put the amines. Now 1 acetate molecules we are going to draw with this amine. CH2, CO, oxygen will be like this. Negative charge having lone pair. Now students, what happens students? Because it is a pentadentate ligand, that means total how many donor atom will be there? 5. 1 donor atom, second, third, and this nitrogen is the fourth, and this nitrogen is fifth. So metal will be at the center. They will donate the lone pair to the central metal atom. So this is the ethylene diamine triacetate. When you see the charge students, total oxygen having 3, so that means total charge when you see students, it is a -3 charge. That means it is a negative ligand. Now students, come to the last part of the type of ligand, that is hexadentate ligand. If a ligands interact with a metal through 6 donor atoms are called as hexadentate ligand. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate anion, shortcut we call as what? EDTA, which is very famous example students all over in chemistry. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. So here also students, that means here how many tetraacetate? 4 acetate anions will be there and 2 amines will be. That means total 6 donor atom will be present. From the name only you comes to know whether it is hexadentate or pentadentate. So now here, because tetraacetate and diamine, to total 6 donor atom will be there. Now how you are going to write this structure students? First you write ethylene diamine students structure, carbon carbon single bond. This is the ethylene diamine, because it is connected with the 2 amines. 1 amine I am putting here and second amine putting here. Okay students, now because it has got 2 valency, so 2 acetate molecules now we are going to connect. The first acetate of this CH2, CO, and oxygen will be like this, which has got lone pair and negative charge. Now second students, again second acetate molecules CH2, CO, and which is connected to the oxygen, which has what? Lone pair. Now this is also having 2. So students, how you are going to make? Now this will connect to the 1 acetate CH2, CO, and oxygen, which has got negative having lone pair. Now second, again CH3, CO, and oxygen, which has got negative charge. Okay students, now this nitrogen is also having lone pair. The total lone pair of atom, when you count students, total how many? 6 lone pairs are there, and metal will be at the center. This way they will donate the lone pair to the central metal atom. Okay students, now when you see the charge students, when you count total negative charge is how much? Total charge it has got -4 charge. So that means it is a ethylene diamine tetraacetate anion is negative charge, total -4 charge it has. So this is the structure students we have seen of hexadentate ligand. Students, these are very important for the examination point of view. Students, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.